Hi, I'm Sammy, from Fawziacademy. In this video I will talk about how to change a background in Photoshop. In Photoshop, open the foreground and background image. On your foreground image, use different selection tools to select the object you'd like to keep. Save the selection from the Select menu. Invert the selection, then remove the selected for background only. To change the background on your background image, go to Layer menu and select Duplicate Layer. Resize and/or drag the background image to reposition. In the Layers panel, drag the background layer below the foreground image layer to match the brightness in both new background and the foreground image. Load the saved selection from the Select menu. Invert the selection, select brightness and contrast from adjustment layers. Thank you for watching Fawziacademy. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and visit our website, fawziacademy.com.